Zapya makes wireless file transfer easy, but issues like failed pairing or unstable connections can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show 12 quick solutions to get Zapya working smoothly again. Part 1. Common reasons for Zapya not working. Different network, permissions denied, Wi-Fi hotspot off, too far interference, poor connection or crashes, outdated Zapya, firewall or antivirus block, app bugs, battery or background limits, OS or firmware issue. Part 2. Zapya doesn't work? 12 symptoms and solutions here. 1. Can't connect. Enable Wi-Fi Bluetooth location, stay close, same network, or hotspot, restart app, allow permissions. 2. Slow transfer, move closer, smaller batches, close background apps, avoid network switch, use Wi-Fi direct. 4. Crashes or freezes, update Zapya, clear cache or data, restart device, or reinstall app. 5. QR scan fails, clean camera, allow camera permission, ensure code is clear, retry or use group sharing. 6. Files, grant storage, use file manager, restart. 7. Group, Wi-Fi location on, restart, manual connect. 8. PC, same Wi-Fi, allow firewall, web share, update. 9. Waiting, cancel or restart, switch roles, no mobile data. 10. Buttons not responding, force stop app, check system touchscreen, reboot. 11. Files won't open, check file type, confirm full transfer, try another app. 12. Install or update fails, clear store cache, free storage, reboot, retry. Part 3. What could be better than Zapya? Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac is a versatile file transfer tool that serves as an excellent Zapya alternative, offering fast and wireless data sharing between Android and iOS devices without requiring an internet connection. Mobican Transfer for mobile. Download, install, and launch the app. Connect both phones via USB. The software auto-detects devices. Use Flip to set target on the right. Select data types and click Start Copy to transfer.